Power BI has recently added two new features to its visualization stack. Find Anomalies and Smart Narratives are now in GA and ready for prod environments.
These two new capabilities, they are super easy to use, and you just need actually the right tools to accomplish them. So the first one, it's a line chart just like this one here. You insert it within your record dashboard. I already have my order date inserted to the axis, and I'm going to bring the total sales. And as you guys can see it, I already have everything plotted here. Now, clicking on a chart like this, I'm going to go to data and drill. And then you can find in the AI sections the find anomalies. If you click it, you see that now Power BI is going to be pointing all of the anomalies within this time range. If you hover over one of the anomalies, it's going to show you some information in a tooltip. And if you click it, it's going to show why Power BI is thinking this is an anomaly and the possible explanations on the right part here. Also, you have the strength, which this explanation here has to this anomaly. What happens if you slice and dice the data points like this with the time slicer? You see that we now have the anomalies within that date period. The second new capability that we have in GA, it's the smart narratives function, and you can accomplish that in two ways. The first one, it's right-clicking on a chart like I've done, and then clicking on summarize. When you click summarize, you see that now we have a text box, and this text box is just like this one. I'm going to delete it just so we don't have two in the same spot. And then now you can see that we have some wording with an underline, a blue underline. These are data points within our model and also DAX measures. The second way for us to accomplish a smart narrative, it would be to click here. If you click here, you'll be able to see that we have the same window, which is this one here also. This is a smart narrative text box, okay? So I wrote here some stuff, for instance, smart narrative demo, and the total amount of sale is, and within here, I'm going to add a DAX measure. So if I click on plus value, I'm going to say total sales, and I want to show this currency and call it sales. Now save it, and now you can see that we have the total amount of sales. The same will happen now with total orders. I'm going to call this orders. I'm going to show it as a general also. And now we have both DAX measures being displayed within a text box. The cool part is, if I slice this data here again, you see now that the DAX measures are also being sliced against the dates range, which is something impressive in my opinion. And it's adding actually way more storytelling to the Power BI capabilities.